Are we going to praat about it? Are we going to praat about the fact that Manie Libbok should start against the All Blacks and Cheslin Kolbe takes over the kicking duties? I'm telling you all now, Manie knows how to get the best out of a backline, especially our backline. Hulle is gevaarlik, hulle is like they're predators. Manie awakens the backline like my hormones. When I see Patricia Lewis, that dummy, that pass against Wales, he confuses the backline like a John Cena impersonator at a funeral home. His cross kicks, his passes, it's pinpoint. It's so perfectly timed. It could be Mariah Carey at Christmas time. They don't have to worry, she'll be there. I'm saying, of course, if Sasha's injured and we play Polly off the bench. So if Kak spots Polly come up and I kicks the points like Morné Steyn and the British Irish Lions, I'm telling you, fuck man, dis rappie.